Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y90 and let me share with you how to reset the camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording. It is because I'd like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after this whole operation, the grid lines should not be visible. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults option. Let's tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just immediately got back to the camera. So first of all, here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option will work, because if you will open the camera for the very first time, your device will ask you if you want to allow the camera to access the location. So this is the first sign, the first evidence. I will deny it. And the second, as you can see, or actually cannot see, the grid lines are not applied, which of course means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your HUAWEI Nova Y90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.